damage to the house and the fence from the tree June 18th. It's happened at around 6 p.m. Crashed through our chain link fence, lightning hitting that tree in the background. Tree came through, knocking down another maple tree as well. Came up onto our porch, crashed our patio set, splintered off after it hit our house. Caused what we can see is 2 or 3 pretty major holes in the house. Still debris up there, exposed. I can actually see into the attic from ground level. Siding ripped off, gutter looks like it's pretty much beat up. And then thunderstorms have followed it, so we've got some water damage occurring in the house as well. And that's it. June 18th. Happened around 6 p.m. Eastern Time.